Some jobs are riskier than others, and while many people work in offices or stores, others put their lives on the line every single day. These workers face extreme conditions, life-threatening risks, and unpredictable dangers, all to keep the world running. Today, we'll explore some of the most dangerous jobs in the world. Would you dare to do any of them? Let us know in the comments. The first is deep-sea fishing. Fishing might sound peaceful, but deep-sea fishing is one of the deadliest jobs on the planet. Workers spend weeks or even months at sea, battling extreme weather, massive waves, and freezing temperatures. Slippery decks, heavy equipment, and the constant risk of drowning make this a high-risk profession. A single mistake or sudden storm can turn deadly in seconds. The next one is logging work. Cutting down trees isn't just physically demanding, it's also extremely dangerous. Loggers handle powerful chainsaws, work with massive trees, and face unpredictable terrain. Falling trees, rolling logs, and equipment failures make logging one of the deadliest industries in the world. Next one is construction work, especially high-rise jobs. Building skyscrapers means working at extreme heights, often hundreds of feet in the air. Even with safety harnesses and precautions, accidents still happen. Falls, collapsing structures, and equipment failures make construction work one of the most hazardous jobs worldwide. Next one is working on oil rigs. Oil rig workers deal with fire hazards, heavy machinery, and unpredictable ocean conditions. Explosions, falls, and harsh weather make this job extremely dangerous. Plus, workers often spend weeks offshore, far from emergency medical help. Next one is mining. Miners go deep underground, where cave-ins, toxic gases, and explosions can happen at any moment. The lack of fresh air, low visibility, and confined spaces make mining one of the most dangerous industries in the world. Next one is electrical power line work. These workers repair and maintain power lines, often at great heights and in severe weather conditions. A single wrong move can result in electrocution, falls, or exposure to high-voltage currents. Storms and natural disasters make their job even riskier. Next is bomb disposal work. Explosive Ordnance Disposal, EOD. Technicians handle explosives, often in war zones or emergency situations. Their job is to defuse bombs and other deadly devices, where even the smallest mistake could be fatal. The high stress and life-threatening nature of their work make it one of the riskiest jobs in the world. The next is firefighting. Firefighters rush into burning buildings to save lives and property. They face intense heat, smoke, collapsing structures, and toxic fumes. Every call they respond to is unpredictable, making their job one of the most heroic yet dangerous in the world. Next is piloting, especially for bush and cargo flights. While commercial airline travel is relatively safe, bush and cargo pilots often fly in extreme weather, rough terrain, and dangerous conditions. They transport goods and people to remote locations, sometimes landing on rough runways or in unpredictable situations. And the last on our list is stunt performing. The people you see in action movies jumping off buildings, crashing cars, or setting themselves on fire are real stunt performers. Even with safety precautions, injuries are common, and the risk of serious accidents is always high. It's an adrenaline-filled job that requires extreme skill and bravery. These dangerous jobs are essential to society, but they come with extreme risks. Would you be willing to do any of them? Or do you know someone who works in one of these fields? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more amazing facts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.